Good morning, everybody. Back at it again on a Sunday morning. This is Mr. Samos. I'll be talking exclusively regarding Lucid Motors and what happened yesterday and the potential of what can happen tomorrow and within the week. Again, I am not your financial advisor. Everything I do or say is just my personal opinion. What I do in the markets, I do always recommend you making your own informed decision. And doing that, like this video, subscribe so you can get more insight on the EV markets and cryptocurrency. And if you like making money in general and making small investments turn into long-term profits, please do me a favor and consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos, and like it so I can stay relevant to the YouTube algorithm. All right, so we're gonna get to it. Today is gonna be a pretty awesome day because it's kind of like a refreshing start of what happened with Lucid Air's deliveries yesterday. Now, there's a lot of speculation, there's a lot of hate on the internet, and what I'm gonna be talking about is just kind of just going through what happened yesterday. All right, so we're going to first start off and look at TradingView and kind of see where Lucid Motors can go. I've obviously done my my technical analysis, but we knew that after SPAC, it went as high as $65 and then dropped all the way down with some inefficiencies in the market, meaning to say that there was more sellers than buyers, and it halted and it went straight down. Okay, we've been trading on its low on $17 for about a couple months. And then by June, it shot up to $28. And then from here, you can safe to say that we've been in this nice range of $28, $29 to $21. So if you're getting this at 21, you're getting a really good deal. And selling it, buying it, selling it, buying it, and then here comes the private investors, and we went as low as $15, depending on what platform you're using, 16. I personally got in because I believe a lot in this company just because I love the CEO and how he was one of the founders and makers of the Tesla S. And so he came out of there, wanted to make his own brand, and wanted to do something different and make a whole luxury sedan. And this is it. Lucid Motors is the first luxury sedan EV on the market. And I personally feel that they're doing really well in their launch for the Lucid Dream Air that went up for like what, $169,000 per vehicle, but you get that $7,500 federal tax rebate. And then after that, we've been seeing a nice uptrend. Now, if you're just looking at technicals alone, everybody, we are gonna see this cup and handle hit, right? So we're looking at this coming up again. Okay, that's going to be another possibly a 30% increase or 58% increase, but obviously with that increase is going to come some drawbacks. So what I feel what's going to happen in the next day, buy the rumors, sell the news. I mean, that's kind of what everyone's looking into right now. A lot of people are talking about selling it on Monday or long-term holders, but you know, I mean, for me, I'm definitely staying on. You can do whatever you want to do. You make that informed decision. What we're going to go over right now is kind of just looking at what's going on in the news today. So a lot of people are being very hateful towards Lucid. How much deliveries did they make? There's some that say 11, some that said 8. There's pictures that had 4, and then another 4 on the cross side where the launch happened. Some people even said 1, but Lucid did say that they're making deliveries. So deliveries is plural, right? So it's got to be more than one delivery, right? So we got to make sure that we're understanding that. Okay, so I love this. The rumor, the news. Okay, so it's really going to be really interesting. But I would just say really be very careful tomorrow if you're going to go all in. I know some people, personally, I know some people will be selling off. I know some people will be buying. It really depends on what your outlook on Lucid is, okay? I know this guy, Next Gen EV Ralph Penhusen, said that the vehicle is 76 inches in like width. That's huge. That's like what this guy said, a Corvette is 76.1. So you're looking at maybe a really wide vehicle. So very, if you have wide vehicles, they tend to have big wheels, which has better performance because with that width, I mean, a wider range of driving capabilities and a lot of control. Okay, so we're seeing Rabok S3 talking about Lucid and his position, or her position, I do apologize. Look at this is insane. All right, this is insane. Okay, this is really awesome. Lucid will be a triple-digit stock in the near future. It's definitely a long-term investment that will surely pay off. I love this company, brand, work, culture, and the many ways they will expand. Now, this is very opinionated, right? So, again, we're here to do more facts. So, I know that we can all love stock, but obviously this type of conversation is going to drive the stock. Okay, if you don't think there's an algorithm out there that every time Lucid talks, Tesla talks, it's going to drive a little bit more on the thing, on the stock price. All right, so I do want to talk about Saudi Arabia, because Saudi Arabia is the second largest EV in the market. So we'll talk about Saudi Arabia. I'm gonna go on Webull so that we can look at it and look at the news that was here, that happened a couple days ago. Okay, I believe this is really important to kind of understand why Saudi is really important. So this article, it says right here that Saudi Arabia is really heavily invested. Okay, it also shows that the factories that's being built. So like the one in Casa Grande in Arizona here. I live in Arizona, obviously. Here in Arizona, Casa Grande, they're saying that's going to make 10,000 to 90,000 vehicles. That's a lot of vehicles. But then ultimately in 2030, we're going to expect 500,000 vehicles. All right, that's a lot. Now we all know that what happened with Hertz and Tesla. They had that merger regarding the rental cars. Some people think it's going to be more on a weakness. A lot of analysts said this is a weakness part on Tesla going into Hertz. But I believe this is a strong move, because now you're having more people ride in the Tesla 3, right? I don't know how valuable the Tesla 3 will be now, because it's going to be like a Toyota Camry or a Honda Civic, where you could really rent these out. And so, but I feel that it's going to be really good overall for the EV market. It's going to give way to possibly Lucid to do this. I'm not saying it will, but you know, it gives you like some chain of thought, some understanding of what could happen in the next couple of days. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Again, this was a really short video. There's really nothing new other than the deliveries that happened yesterday. So it all seems really bullish. It all seems really awesome. A lot of people had a really good time. A lot of videos happened. There's a new one that came out here. Oh, cool. And you know, it's very more on the positive side. I do want to look at the negative side. I know there's some pictures going around how they're taking some pictures regarding the door sill of the Lucid doors, how that cushion runner has been really deteriorated. So we're gonna look at all those things, kind of make that informed decision, and make sure that you can invest properly. Okay, so again, tomorrow is going to be a really interesting day. Okay, what do I think is going to happen tomorrow? I think it's going to sell off a little bit, but I think it's going to rise. I think it's going to go above 41, but we'll see what it's going. Again, guys, if you like this video, please like it. Please also consider subscribing it. Thank you for my 10 followers. You guys have been great. You guys give me that little boost of energy. And my last video, you guys have been really supportive. Definitely leave a comment. Let's talk money. All right. Take care. God bless. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.